We talk football SA. Orlando Pirates 0, Durban City 0. My brother, what's your name? What do you say about the game?
My name is Wandile. I come from Fosteras,
Yeah.
Mepakania.
Yes.
Uh,
Sad.
no, not really sad, but
Angry.
I expected a lot of more from the Giants,
Yes.
but they didn't deliver today.
Yeah.
But it's not over. We stand a chance to win a treble. We still stand a chance to win a treble.
Yes.
The last time we won a treble, I think it was 2012. After 14 years.
Yeah, 2012. Yes.
Yeah, after 14 years. This reminds me of Penny McCarthy. This reminds me of Opomanyisa. Andile Charlie, your Tentley. You're luckily hot. The Pinam Zalas of this world. Your Mahamutas of this world. Your Nielis of this world. Your festival is of this world.
Yes.
Like it's Habu Matlava.
Yeah.
But nothing has. So Shangale Bombela. No, not really.
Yeah.
Not really.
Yeah.
I still believe in the boys. I mean, regardless of the season, sineswemvula eziningi namhlanje.
Yeah.
Oh, nakule season sineswemvula eziningi. There was a time like we were questioning about the coach and his technical team. There was a time that we were questioning about even the management itself for releasing certain players. But this is the time to redeem the glory days.
Yeah.
When you talk about the glory days of Orlando Pirates, you talk about the treble. This is the time to win the treble.
Still gonna take
and we're gonna take the treble.
Yeah.
Lies Kotini. It's a lies Kotini.
Yeah. Is there anything wrong that the team did today?
Nothing wrong.
Yeah.
It was not our day.
Yes.
I look at Apollos today. Nah.
He was not himself.
Nah, not really.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was in our day. Even really. Even Siema, there was a chance we got Siema. I for one, I'm concerned for Abe defender of the season. But
yes.
Like today, he was not really his day, but we're gonna redeem ourselves. Once and always.
Another clean sheet for Chain.
Record breaking.
Yeah.
He broke the record of Monif Josephs.
Yeah.
I think 18 clean sheets.
Yeah.
Right now he's facing like about
20,
yeah,
number
21. Yeah. In the season.
Yes.
Even he broke the record of Ronwen Williams.
Yes.
Imagine. Zanzi's keepers number 1 that we're going with in the World Cup in USA. He broke it.
Yeah.
I for one, I'm witness with Abe. Goalkeeper number 1
for a World Cup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Once and always Mapagania, Siawina, Emombela Stangana Kon, Mpumalanga, Siawin Chebu, Delegate. Thank you.